to another video. So I'm using my new hand today. I'm not sure how I feel about this hand. I'll talk about it more later in the video. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick gel polish design using some of these wooden top gel polishes that I got from Modelones. So I'm using this new Modelones base coat. I'm just going to give all the nails a quick base coat, and that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, that's the base coat cured. The first colour I'm going to use is called House. And it's like, I'd describe it as kind of concrete colour. It's a nice nude, it's like a beige. I like it. So this is going on this ring finger and middle finger. Look how nice these apply. One coat, they're beautiful. It was so hot when I was filming this and my gels were like water. But they still went on really, really nice. I really enjoy using these gel polishes. They're just really good fun to use because, yeah, they're just nice. Anyway, pointer finger, I'm using this one that's called Leaf. Again, I'm just going to do one coat, and then on the pinky, I'm going to put one that is called Flowers. I think they really, really flow, these colours do. I really like these colours together.
Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Right, that's all my colours cured. I've wiped the tacky layer off as well. I pulled out two foils, I wasn't sure which one to use. I ended up going with this Gucci one. I wasn't going for a designer set, I just liked the flowers on this foil because it had the green that matched the pointer finger, and it had a little bit of like a pink colour that matched what I'd put on the pinky. So the reason I wiped off the tacky layer is because foil glue, you don't want it to mix with that tacky layer because it might not work as well. So I'm just doing one nail at a time just to make it easier so it doesn't stick to all the other nails. So I kind of just wanted the flowers. I didn't really want the Gucci parts so much. I just wanted the flowers. So this ring finger is having a full coat, and I'm just going to rub that in with my silicone tool. I ended up missing a tiny bit on the tip and a tiny bit at the cuticle, but you'll see I just dab it with the foil and yeah, get them little bits stuck back on. Make sure you get right down those edges and tips. These tips that I'm using, I love the look of them, but they're so curved. The apex on them is crazy. So yeah, I ended up missing a couple of tiny bits on the tip and the cuticle, but it's fine. It worked out fine.
Catch you slipping, never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through.
Right, what I'm going to do on the other three nails is, again, I'm going to give them a coat of this foil glue. I'll do the pinky and the middle finger together because they're not close enough to stick to each other, so I do these two together, and I'm just going to do a slice across the bottom corner of both nails.
See me now,
Now what I've had to do with this middle finger, I've had to cut the foil at an angle because some of the Gucci, those letters were going to be showing on this nail, and obviously I needed them to be straight. So yeah, just cut it at an angle if you're using a foil that's got writing or letters on it, or numbers, anything that needs to be straight, just cut it at an angle. And I'm going to do the same on the pointer finger as well. Right guys, that's all my foil done. I really like that foil, I really do. It's the first time I've used this one, I like it. So I'm using the new Modelones glossy no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to get these all top coated, and I'm just going to stick some gems into this wet top coat on the middle finger and cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and that'll be this set finished. Just a nice quick easy set, simple but pretty. Right guys, that's them finished. I really like them, I do, I love those colours. And I'm just noticing I have put my bling on wonky. And this is what I mean about this hand. The middle finger, can you see it points in slightly towards the left. And because the fingers are so spread out, I'm struggling to fit them in camera shot. So I'm not too sure how I feel about this hand yet. And that middle finger pointing inwards. So yeah, I'm not sure. But anyway guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.
The truth will break your chains, we have the key.